Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of a Pterosaur by Natsuharu Ruka, a music pack of 8 16-bit tracks by Rolando Gomez, Beatz and Trax Volume 1, 6 music tracks by Kickin' It Studios, a Tileset pack of Tropical Shores by Celil the Shaper, a lighting kit by Coco Reflections, so we can add special effects on our maps with a tileset. And lastly, upscaled version of VX Ace's tileset for RPG Maker MV and MZ by Tana. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.